magic garden, what do we see? Alphabet fruits for you and me. A is for apple, apple. A is for apple, red and round. B is for banana, banana. B is for banana, yellow and long. C is for cherry, cherry. C is for cherry, red and small. D is for dates, dates. D is for dates, brown and sweet. E is for egg fruit, egg fruit. E is for egg fruit, yellow and soft. F is for fig, fig. F is for fig, purple and sweet. G is for grape, grape. G is for grape, green and round. H is for honeydew, honeydew. H is for honeydew, green and sweet. Fruits are healthy, fruits are fun. A, B, C for everyone. In the garden, quiet and green, the prettiest fruits you've ever seen. I is for ice apple, ice apple. I is for ice apple, cool and clear. J is for jackfruit, jackfruit. J is for jackfruit, big and yellow. K is for kiwi, kiwi. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L is for lemon, lemon. L is for lemon, sour and yellow. M is for mango, mango. M is for mango, sweet and yellow. N is for nectarine, nectarine. N is for nectarine, smooth and round. O is for orange, orange. O is for orange, round and orange. P is for peach, peach. P is for peach, soft and sweet. Q is for quince, quince. Q is for quince, yellow and bumpy. R is for raspberry, raspberry. R is for raspberry, red and small. S is for strawberry, strawberry. S is for strawberry, red and sweet. T is for tangerine, tangerine. T is for tangerine, orange and small. U is for uva grape, uva grape. U is for uva grape, purple and round. V is for velvet apple, for velvet apple. V is for velvet apple, soft and round. W is for watermelon, watermelon. W is for watermelon, big and green. X is for seagull, X at seagull. X is for seagull, green and stripy. Y is for yuzu, yuzu. Y is for yuzu, yellow and sour. Z is for Ziziphus, Ziziphus. Z is for Ziziphus, small and sweet. A to Z in the garden today. Now it's time to go and play. Hushed, goodbye fruits.